Common types of online scams you might encounter. 1. Phishing scams. Scammers impersonate well-known companies or in credit card details. 2. Online shopping scams. They lure unsuspecting shoppers with incredibly low prices or non-existent products, only to disappear with the money, leaving victims empty-handed. 3. Job and employment scams. Fraudulent job postings that require victims to pay upfront fees or provide personal information for fake job opportunities. 4. Romance scams. Scammers create fake online romantic relationships to manipulate victims emotionally and extort money or personal data. 5. Lottery or prize scams. Fake notifications proclaiming you as the lucky winner of a lottery or prize, often requesting payment to claim your winnings. Now that we're aware of the common scams, it's essential to take preventive measures to protect ourselves online. Here are some valuable tips. 1. Use strong passwords. Create unique and complex passwords for every online account, and consider using a password manager to keep them secure. 2. Double-check URLs. Always validate the legitimacy of websites by checking their URLs before entering any personal or financial information. 3. Beware of suspicious emails. Exercise caution when opening emails from unknown senders, especially those requesting personal information or containing suspicious attachments or links. 4. Research before purchasing. Before making a purchase or signing up for services online, research the company, read reviews, and analyze their website for authenticity and security measures. 5. Keep software updated. Regularly update your operating system, antivirus software, and web browser to ensure the latest security patches are in place. By staying informed and taking necessary precautions, you can protect yourself from falling victim to online scamming websites. Remember, knowledge and awareness are powerful tools in the world of internet security. That wraps up today's video on protecting yourself from online scamming websites. We hope you found the information useful and insightful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our future content. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Stay safe, and until next time, take care. Passwords like information sensitive revealing into victims tricked out individuals. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will be discussing an important topic that affects millions of people worldwide: online scamming websites. With the rapid growth of the internet, scams have become increasingly prevalent, making it crucial for everyone to understand how to protect themselves. Join us as we shed light on common online scams, provide valuable tips to stay safe, and empower you to keep your personal and financial information secure. Online scamming websites are fraudulent platforms designed to deceive individuals and extract their personal and financial information illegally. These scams can be in various forms, such as fake e-commerce websites, lottery scams, phishing emails, or even social media scams. Accounts. 1. Avoid using easily guessable information like birth dates or pet names. 2. Consider using a reliable password manager to securely store your passwords. 2-factor authentication. 1. Enable 2-factor authentication whenever possible. 1. This adds and falling victim to online scams and scamming websites. 1. Always remember to trust your instincts, be cautious with your personal information, and regularly update your antivirus software. 1. Stay safe and happy browsing. Online scams can also happen while browsing the web, not just on scamming websites. By following these precautions, you can enhance your online safety. Avoiding suspicious links. 1. Be cautious of unsolicited emails, messages, or advertisements that contain suspicious links. 2. Hover over a link to preview the URL before clicking on it. 2. This reveals any hidden or deceptive destinations. For passwords, unique and strong users are getting more sophisticated every day, making it difficult to distinguish legitimate websites from fraudulent ones. However, there are 3 warning signs to watch out for and clues that can help you stay pro. Securing your personal information. Your personal information is highly valuable to scammers, and protecting it should be a top priority. Here's what you can do to minimize the risk of falling victim to identity theft and other fraudulent activities.